Hey there, welcome back. My name is Randy Orton. If you don't know who I am, if you haven't seen any of my videos, I've been a journeyman electrician for like 25 years. Then back in August, I lost my job, lost my entire savings in a crypto scam, and found iCoinPro in the micro profit system. And I've been able to make a recovery using the training and the tools that they provide. And today we're going to talk about one of their special tools inside of iCoinPro as a member of the iCoinPro micro profit system that I get to use every day to help me make profitable trades and help me recover some of that money that I lost. Before I show you this extra special tool, I'm going to talk about the disclaimer. icoinprotradefinder and its trainers provide an informational service only. They're not responsible for any investments made applying this information. The results described are not typical and are not guarantees of future income. Any investment contains risk and is 100% the responsibility of you, the investor. So with that being said, let's dive on in to the trading software. And today we're going to talk about Trade Finder. This is a list of all the other cool tools that I get to use as a member of iCoinPro. This is awesome RSI Spy. These are all super great to use for a little bit more advanced trading, but super easy once you learn how to do it. If you apply all of these, they're not going to guarantee. I almost say they'll guarantee you a profitable trade every time, but your chances are so much better. Let me tell you that, they're a lot better than trying to do this on your own or without these tools. So the Trade Finder, iCoinPro Trade Finder. If you look down here, Binance USA is the exchange I use. You can also, if you're outside of the United States, you can Binance or Coinbase Pro is also available. They use Binance in the training. I'm familiar with Binance, so I just stuck with it. And I'll show you a little bit more about that and how that works here in a little bit. Currencies, right now I have 877 currency pairs selected. You can set this to show you just a couple pairs, whatever you want. It's totally customizable to what you want to see and the alerts you want to get. You can click them off one at a time if you don't want to see that one, or if you or you can just deselect all. If you just want to pick a certain coin, you can do that. Then deselect all. So I just want Bitcoin. It's just going to show Bitcoin pairs. I like US dollars. Oops. And we'll just do that. And it's going to show a bunch of the US dollar USDT pairs, which is what I like anyway. So go back, and this is alerts. Shows you squeeze or dip trade possibilities alerts. If you look over here, this shows you the exact alert of what this coin is doing. This was 3 minutes ago, 8 minutes ago, 13 minutes ago. So as you can see, it doesn't matter what your schedule is like. You could get on your computer at any time of the day and pull up Trade Finder, find some potential trades, and just have some fun. It's exciting, it's fun, and just enjoy it. And we'll all have some fun. And this is a volume, 24-hour volume. You can set this. It's going to show you, how these are, where they're at, and how much volume, how much money they went through in one day. You want to look for ones that have the more volume, the better. That was one of the higher volumes amount. Gala US dollar tokens. My computer's slow. Those are 19 minutes ago anyway. These are probably a little bit more important because they were just a few minutes ago. You want to jump on them and see exactly what they're going to do. So let's do this. Let's see. Was there one with some decent volume here? Gallatin has some, I guess that's one of the higher ones. It went into a dip 19 minutes ago, but we can still see that on the chart. And I can show you exactly how this works. And it goes right into the exchange, it goes right into Binance. If I wanted to make a trade on this coin, I have this available down here, $73 in USDT. I could buy some of this coin. If I thought this was going to go up, I could buy some of this coin. And right here where it's low, it's 0.02471, I could buy some of that. And hopefully, and then if it went up here, then I could sell it over here, and hopefully make a profit. But let's see what they were talking about. It was a dip trade first. Let's get into trading view. Get rid of a few of these. And kind of make this so we can see it a little bit easier. All right, so these are the dip trades that the alerts that was showing you back on the other screen. We can go back here. Where was it? I think it was Gallows what we're looking at. Yep, says right there. And we can see, so it took me right there, and the same coins that we were looking at before. So it's really easy to navigate back and forth. You can just leave this in the background, or you can watch it. Ooh, and see it's starting to do something there. There's a little bit of volume down here. You like to see that, but it's not really that much. I don't know if we're still waiting for another dip. We got 1, 2. Looks like we need another dip below the bottom Bollinger Band before this would start to potentially climb up, so we can make some profit off this trade if we were to choose to do this. And I would never suggest doing 100%. Do 10% of what I like. Whatever I have down here is $7.30. And I'd just have a little bit of micro profit, and maybe make a few cents or off of that little bitty trade. Until you get really experienced, I would not do any more than 10%, like I said down here. But you're gonna have fun, and it's gonna be exciting, and you're gonna learn how to do this, and you're gonna really like it, and you're going to do it all the time. You want to quit your job and stay at home, and you're going to just want to do this full time. I know that's all I want to do anymore is stare at my computer and find trades, and get in and make a little bit of profit, get out, and have some fun with this. Because have some fun, make some money, and you never know what happens. The potential is absolutely limitless when it comes to this. And there's all kinds of other opportunities when it comes to iCoinPro as well. So with that being said, that's all for the training today. I'll go over some of the other tools on another training. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you, and I hope to see you again real soon. Please check out the link in the description if you'd like more information on iCoinPro, and become a pre-enrollee in the free trading bootcamp. That'll get you started on everything you wanted to know about crypto, and get you going, and possibly get you going as a member. You get in there and do some paper trading. You like what you see, become a member on my team, and we'll all trade together and have trading parties, and we'll all get together on Zoom and find some good trades in Trade Finder and make some money together. So I look forward to having you on my team. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe to my channel, and see you on the next video.